Hey there! Are you interested to know how to set a FAQ chatbot with CEQUENS? Let me take you through the process. Firstly, locate CEQUENS chat on the navbar to your left and click on it. In order to create a new chatbot, head to Settings located at the left bottom of the page and click on Bots. Locate the blue button on the top of the page labeled Add Bot and click on it. You can now choose the type of bot you want to create and label it. After you have successfully created the bot, you can now see the variety of default queries and responses. You also have the option to add your personal queries and responses for the chatbot to use by either entering it as a new answer or upload as a CSV file. Here, we are adding a question and an answer. You can also customize the answer by either text, image, or a URL as well. You can test the bot by clicking on the right side button of the screen, which will take you to show a preview of the bot. That's it. You have now successfully set up your FAQ chatbot. Thanks for watching.